All right, well, we're currently
insulating the house because it's 10 degrees outside, and the house is not staying warm. The house is doing the exact opposite of that. Got towels right now under the. There was actually ice, like there was actually just ice like growing up the door, like right here. She just knocked that ice off. 10 degrees outside, folks. It's actually 9:46. So yeah, that's what we're in the middle of right now. The Audi's still down. 420, you know, is rebuilt and everything, so she's running. But I wanted to change out the starting solenoid on it, and like basically anything that I work on, like it just doesn't work out. I ended up actually like losing a battery terminal bolt and blowing a fuse, and it just was not fun. So, and then on top of that, I guess the solenoid it up correctly because you know, I got a new bolt for the battery terminal, and I went to start it, and it just did not work. So, oh my gosh,
like. Our windows have frostbite.
You guys see this?
Like,
all right, your boy is suited up. We're gonna try and start the taco. Got my boots on, boy. Oh gosh, damn, it's so deep already. Baby. Your hat's in my truck.
it is.
Yeah, your beanie's in my truck. That's not a hat, it's a beanie. Let's go out into the world and see what's going on.
Okay, dead eyes, this is like a solid 4 inches already.
Oh, I know, it's so deep already. We're gonna try and dump this trash somewhere.
Alright, y'all, we are like, not moving.
Full drive for sure.
Oh, God.
All right. We're putting her in 4 high. All right, we're now in 4 high.
Oh, yeah, we're moving now, boys.
Yeah, I have so much snow though, like. Okay, she's ready, folks. So yeah, it sleeted for a couple hours last night, and then it just started snowing, and it hadn't stopped. So we've got, you know, a good amount of snow on top, which is allowing us to have a good amount of traction.
First downhill.
And here's our first downhill run. Not too bad. We're gonna get on over to the side, let them all get on by.
Flying.
It's another air server, dude. They don't give a f. We got a little hill right here, though.
Yeah, we do.
We gotta get some momentum.
Oh, God. We gotta get some momentum to make it up the hill. Oh, my gosh. It'd be for real.
That's crazy.
You guys can't like feel it. You can't see how it feels, but we're like sliding.
A little bit.
We're sliding coming up that hill. Ain't even excited.
What's going on?
What you doing, bud? What I do with you?
I was wondering if it was you or not. Get a full send for the camera?
Yeah, do some donuts or something.
It's locked in 4.
What?
It was built for rock climbing.
Really?
So it's plowing our driveway.
Hell
Chris
yeah.
probably go to the Magnolia Inn and plow it. Yeah, I bought the shirt.
Really?
Yeah, I'm wearing it now.
Hell yeah.
All right, I'll be here.
All right, see you, man.
Be careful.
This place is booming. All right. Hell yeah.
Yeah, my brother paid me $30 to jump in the pool and I'm broke, so I took it.
And you didn't let me film you do that?
I have a video.
Alright, send me the video. Go when you're ready. Yeah, I want to see if y'all have any sleds left.
No, sold out. Thanks for calling Truck Supply. This is Tim. How may I help you today?
Yes, sir. I want to see if y'all have any sleds.
No, sure don't. We don't carry sleds.
Alrighty, thank you. Alright, we're headed to pick up Austin from his parents' house. Hopefully he can save the day. So, yeah, we're gonna see if he can figure out what's going on with the 420. Dude, it's so deep. It's crazy. Well, folks, we got Mr. Austin Miles in the back now.
Yep.
He's gonna see if he can
Fix this 420.
yeah,
right
fix the 420, see if he can
Get her
figure
done,
out the
get it
issue,
done.
you know.
here. That's a full sender right there. Sender!
Cables that go to the solenoid are those two connections, yeah. Dropped Austin off, and yeah, now we're heading back to the crib. Huge shout out to Austin for getting the 420 back running. It wasn't anything, you know, major. I knew it wasn't anything major. I knew I just didn't have it, you know, hooked up correctly, or just something was, you know, just not connected right. We got her fixed pretty daggum quick. Wildin'. R2. We got another car. All right, we're going to play pool at Turnages. The vlog's being resumed.
So did you tell the camera about how they close in 30 minutes, guys, and we're going in here to play pool and make up their last dollars.
As you can see, some Terminators were obviously here. The kind of tire tread pattern. Turnage Grocery, Turney JoJo.
Nice for you.
We come back here pretty often though. All right, we got Tyler right here full send and hired him out here so I had to bring the camera out. It was good.
Damn, we got us cold as
Y'all be good. Bigger boys. All right, well, welcome to day 2. We actually got the sun out today. A lot of snow to play in today on the 420. Oh. Oh my God. Our freaking, oh my. Dude, that's so, why do they keep on?
Because it's still smoky.
All right, it is currently 5 degrees outside. Our pipes are frozen in our kitchen, so we don't have hot water in the kitchen sink. We got ice coming through the door, as you can see.
We have
The room, we got blankets up right now just to insulate a little better, just because it's so damn cold outside. It's crazy out here. The plan today is to go and have a rip sesh with Austin on the 420. And, you know, Austin obviously on the Renegade. And before we do that, we've got to go to Walmart to get hand warmers and foot warmers. And then we're going to be ready to go rip with Austin.
What's up?
What's up? I got to take a look at this damn side-by-side, dude. Hell yeah. You loving her?
Hey, going for that ragged ass damn Honda.
Dude. It looks so damn good. You figured out anything with your bike?
Nope. It literally won't do anything.
Damn.
Basically, whenever I get something, just tears up.
Dude, what size boggers?
33.
You'd be surprised, they pull good.
Really? Dude, this is my dream side by side though. Like legit.
I wanted to
I
clean it
love
up.
the Sport XMR. Like,
Yeah, I wanted to clean it up.
you wanna stay in it real quick? He said, I don't
gonna rip it.
mind. I say put her in 4 and just start. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa, look at him go. Watch how I come through with money and I wipe your nose. You with a kid and they pull up a post. Ready to blow. Always on go. I'm on the road. I'm doing.
That's it. That was it right there. Looks pretty good on you, Bailey.
Shut up. He's not good on anybody.
Dude,
I think I like it.
you sent her, dude. She's awesome. Yeah, I love them, dude. I think they're a lot better than the X3s, in my opinion.
That's why I went to go get. I went to go get the X3,
Really?
and I got there. I was like, I have to look at this one.
I think you made the right decision.
Yeah, I didn't even see it at first. I went straight to the X3s looking at it. Freddie was like, man, we're gonna look at this one. I was like, oh, it's got snorkels. That's what I need.
Yeah. He made a little bit of a mistake running that Rubicon at the hatch without a snorkel, you know.
Yeah, Hatchie had sunk at the Hatchie once, got it rebuilt, drove it twice.
Yeah.
The creek, sunk at the creek.
What's up?
So what are we looking at? How much progress have we made so far?
So far, we're trying to unfreeze everything, and my hands are frozen, so it's not helping for about a week and a half now.
Jeez, dude.
You got a ratchet laying right here. I want to say that.
Hell yeah, I like the sticker too.
You know, we're going from a Honda my whole life to that. And I'm like, I've been missing out.
Dude, I told you from the get-go. Oh yeah, the Hondas are still gonna be walking on the Can-Ams. I mean, to the hole. See y'all. Oh, it went in the snow. You don't know where it went. You got it? Good boy.
Let me see. Nice, Bubba. You look good, dude.
Alright, let's start the 420 on up. I actually got Bailey's other helmet on, or I guess, just our backup helmet. Because your boy's helmet is just frozen. Alright, so the rear diff's like frozen on her. We're gonna have to put a heater on her real quick.
get your rear diff unfrozen?
Yeah, finally. Get down. Hell yeah, son. 420's back.
I might need more.
She'll probably come on out. She looks like she's coming. Oh, there she went. Oh gosh. We got some mud action going on. There you go.
I think it is too.
Well, folks, we're about to get the toe of shame
Hey, I didn't do nothing.
We'll see you.
by the popo.
I didn't do
It was fun, you guys.
I wish it would have lasted
Right? That's how it goes though sometimes, huh?
every time. Something's always got right.
Oh yeah, you already know, man.
Always got right.
You already know.
Something winter, fall, spring.
Hey, it ain't Wednesday, is it?
No.
Hell no.
We's a day off, dude.
We're a day off. It's Tuesday. We're on a damn Honda today, folks.
It's only a Can-Am on Wednesdays.
All right, folks. We are ending this vlog off. Snowstorm vlog day 2. It was pretty litty and then it ended pretty terribly. But it's okay though. Yeah, just remember to always go to the hole and through the hole. Yeah, the sound is only about unbearable things, right?
Yeah, it's real nice.
The plate is right here.
We've got these freaking holes under our house sealed now. For the front side still sealed on. We're almost. We got one left on the front side. And then we got to do the back side. When we're done, you know, sealing the bottom of the house. And the bottom corner. Yep. She's sealed.
It's working! I can actually like mop floors and like do the dishes. Do you have that tape, Bailey? Did you?
Currently, what, 7:15?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, 7:15.
Yeah.
Sorry we haven't vlogged that much today, but
Hey, watch. Ready? The snow's gonna show up closer.
this
Ready?
is, oh my gosh! Look at how much is coming down, you guys.
Like so heavily. Like my car was clear earlier. Look at it.
Snowstorm part 2. So,
It's exciting.
yeah, tomorrow we should have a lot of snow to be able to sled in for sure. This is day 3 of the winter snowstorm. We got hit with more snow last night. So,
Now, like, look, the tree's getting swollen up by the snow right here in the front. It's like starting to go up the side of it.
but yeah, as you can see, the cars are covered, the tacos back covered with snow. That kind of shows you how much snow we got. And all the trees are covered, so. Yeah, we got a lot more snow last night. The last time we rode the 420, she started acting up with the battery terminals and everything. So I'm just planning on not messing with her. We're planning on just going sledding with my buddy Drake and his girlfriend Caitlin. Bailey is staying dry today. Oh, he got it.
He did one person at a time. Yeah,
With our first obstacle.
Go across, go across. Don't stay.
You got it. She's pretty damn thick. Whoa. The right side's gonna be thicker ice.
Just don't go to the left.
It's good, bro. All right, folks. So it is steep as hell.
Are you sure you don't want to go first?
All right, Drake. Let's see her, I guess, D. Oh my gosh. You're okay. Yeah. Let's go.
Stop so it doesn't go on your face.
Right to the wood.
You have to hold your weight.
How are you doing,
Like I
son?
didn't know how.
Oh my.
I knew how to do it.
Hey, that did work, I guess. The good stuff. Whoa! Piece of bologna fell on the damn barbecue sauce. Negative. Hell yeah. Alright, so yeah, we called Caden, and he said he's behind Mumford High School sledding. And he said they have like the steepest hill ever back there, so we're about to go see what's up.
The steepest hill he's ever sledding on.
Yeah,
so,
he's ever sledding.
so we're gonna see.
Hell yeah! Popo's coming to break it up. She's deep, folks. Everybody's over here. So she's like stupid steep?
You're not gonna fall in the creek.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It's so steep! I know! I'm impressed, I'm not gonna lie. You about to send her?
There's also a hole down there.
Oh no, he's rolling. Oh my god!
That's so cold.
I know, it's nip. It's because we just the wind, it's all wind. We don't have anything blocking us. Good stuff? Yeah. You were moving.
Your hands.
Oh no. There goes KP. Cinder Drake. Drake was moving. There you are. Oh, he hit the hole.
Doing shows. I'm doing shows. I got some white girls on work, girl. You know how these hoes, they all let it snow. They love them cookies and peace in the way I'm on dough. Where I'm dough. I need some more. I need some more. I need some more. I need some more. Yeah.
Good stuff. Well, is that about it? It's just this hill? Yeah. She didn't really like it.
No.
She didn't like it.
Look at all the lights on my dash.
Yeah.
That happened all the way back from the White River.
Yeah. It's alright. We are about to be back to the crib from you know, sled at the high school. Drake and Calvin home, and Caden and Carly are finna big chill us at the house. You had fun sledding though at the high school? It's fun. Yeah, it was pretty damn fun.
My legs are worn out.
Yeah, I was just talking about how tomorrow we're gonna all be sore.